Hello, fellow traders. One more episode of the series. Remember, we keep an eye on the Bitcoin for the past 6 months from January. Exactly as I said. Of course, I don't want to say that we predicted the market correctly or we are wizards and so on. However, in this series, for sure you're gonna say some things that will important in your trading, will affect your trading strategy for sure, and will make you much more profitable. So what we do every week for the past 6 months, remember that I wanted to go long in this market. Finally, I was expecting for 6.5 months, almost 7, for my triggers, for my trades to trigger. What we see this week, finally, the commercials, based on the CFTC report, because I am sure that watching this series and my episodes and everything that I'm doing here, for sure, you're gonna see some proper way, let's say, that for everything that you want to trade. This also includes a Bitcoin. Bitcoin has no fundamental analysis. Okay, we have discussed that. However, we will work with the most essential, the most basics, the sentiment analysis. So the commercials are increasing their long position, and this is exactly what I was expecting. Based on my trading, okay, I'm getting some messages from you that you might expect the market will go lower. Uh, Many of you say that the market will go below 10K and so on. I cannot exclude any of that for sure. However, remember that what we've said, that when you're a trader, when you are trading, you will execute your trade because based on your analysis, based on what you believe, based of what you have done, for sure, you can determine when to enter a market. So based on my analysis, because that's what you are hearing in all of my episodes, you just hear my opinion. Of course, some of you disagree. I really like to see some comments below. What are your expectations for the prices? Again, remember that this is a real trading channel. And this is the reason, of course, that I'm always trading real accounts. And I'm not mentioning my main account that I'm trading it more than 2 years. So the equity now runs at more than 600 USD. And remember, we started with 100. So for this, for the Bitcoin, finally we see a slightly ahead the long positions, slightly ahead. The retailers are keep going long. Of course, they never change their opinion. To be honest, I mean, retailers were going long since the beginning. I mean, of course, it's a zero-sum game. Someone has to lose for someone to gain. And this is what happened exactly here. And why is that? Because the commercials are keep shorting, especially now that the market went significantly lower. And remember that if you have watched our series, we are with them. I mean, I follow them because most likely they know what they are doing. I choose a sweet spot to enter the market. I believe this is the match point. That's why I entered the market. Remember, I'm not just saying an opinion. I always execute trades. This is what I do. Even against of the 90%, most of you have seen me going against them in many of my videos based on a sentiment analysis. Well, of course, the CFTC report is a bit different. I know it's not the best for the Bitcoin because the biggest wallets are not included here. However, it is a sample and it can help you. Well, at least it helped me. That's why we are doing that every week, week after week. And now we will see, at least this is what I speculate. The commercial will start entering the market, and this is what they are doing. They are increasing their long position from mid of June. I mean, this was, I think, the date that we also entered the market. And they are increasing their long position. Now, let's go to the technical part. This is the account, of course, you know exactly all the specifications. My stop loss will be my entire account. So that's why probably most of you won't be able to see any stop loss. I will follow this trade. I hope it will be in our favor. For me, this is the ideal spot to enter the market, to open the long position. I believe that the market, the price won't go lower. Well, I cannot guarantee that, of course. You know how trading works. However, I believe this is the sweet spot, and especially this formation that the prices didn't collapse right away. However, it seems like a sweet retracement to the upside and a retracement to the downside. So I'm expecting to see the prices to hit this level, the previous levels at least. Remember that based on the market, 1,000, 1K or 2K up or down, it's not important. I mean, this is the specifics of the market. So from 18 to 19 or 18, I mean, for a Bitcoin, this is something that it does that. I mean, these are the market specs so far. So again, you don't have to follow my trades for sure, because you are sending me some questions about other cryptocurrencies and so on. The reason that I'm trading the Bitcoin is just for you, because also in my FX book, you are asking me how to trade it. This is how I would do it, and this is how I will do it. Remember, all profits go to you, will go to my subs eventually. I hope this trade will last for several months. Now the market players, for sure, they will start to misinform the retailers. They will try to create panic. They will try to make them get rid of their coins for someone to buy them in a lower price. This is the game. This is how it's played. It never changed. This is the same here. They will try to make you panic and make you get rid of your coins. Why? Because someone wants to buy them, for sure. Try to put a filter every time you are reading the news. Be aware why someone is making this kind of news. I mean, most likely they try to scare you. Remember, it's a zero-sum game. No one cares if you lose your money. For sure, I can guarantee that. They don't care about all the prayers. However, the commercials knows the game in the long term. They know what they are doing. They will go short when you are long. They will go long when you are short. The same is also with other markets that are significantly higher. They are able to move the market, make their games. This is what they are doing. And I'm not talking about any conspiracy theories or anything like that, no. For this case, again, I will cover it every week. Thank you very much for your messages. I try to cover them all, to reply them all. That's why I'm making this series. If you want to make a comment, I would appreciate not to make, not say just a random price. I mean, if you find any extension or something, or a wave or something that you believe that it's a significant price, for sure you can share some details with us. In the end, the most profitable trader will be the most profitable trader, no doubt. That's why we are trading our live accounts, and this is the most important part when you try to prove, not to prove exactly, because you don't care. Watching your account grow, no one cares about that, only you. I'm hoping that the prices will go higher. Again, this doesn't mean a lot, and when I'm saying that, there is also some significant points at this level, which I'm not sure how the prices will react at this level. Simple support and resistances. We are not reinventing the wheel here. But why it's important? When you are entering a trade, you don't know how the market will react. You don't know if it will go in your favor right away, or if it goes to the opposite direction. So That's why I strongly disagree with all these people that make some analysis that they have no idea what they are doing, because they have no any results. They are not traders. They don't know how to trade. Uh, and when the market did the move, they are able to say some opinion. For example, I will give you a very fast example. I didn't average my position at 20k, at 90k, at 80k, at 70k, which I could for sure. Why is that? You need to have accuracy in your entry and in your exit and in your stops. This will define you as a trader. It doesn't matter if I lose that trade. I don't care. I have done hundreds of them, maybe thousands, maybe thousands. So I don't care exactly if I'm going to lose some trades or if I'm going to win the trade. However, I am most likely sure that I am using the correct way to determine the market moves, the correct strategy, let's say, from my side. Thank you very much for your support again. Thank you for your subscriptions. We are almost close to 100 subs. I will do my first giveaway from my major account. It's close to 600. Thank you very much, guys. If you have any questions, I cannot answer all of them. Also in Reddit, you are asking me some things. I'm not able to text you all the time. Maybe in the weekends. It's the best time. Or if you want to leave a comment related to the video. Of course, remember that I'm preparing the Forex debunk. So I'm expecting some videos, some winning strategies, because there will be a huge giveaway for the second channel that I have prepared. Thank you very much. Trade safe, and I hope I'll see you in the future.